myself. Oh, where's mine? Oh, there it is.
Okay, here we go. This is our about to take two. This is our turkey.
Christmas dinner.
Smoke it like a fried Christmas turkey. That's so lame. I'm embarrassed I said that. Here they go. Lowering it down into the grease. Into the oil. Here it is. Chris is getting a workout. Oh, it's gonna be good. Mr. Davis, the fry master. You have to put it in there slowly, man. Look at that thing pop up.
Oh, crap your pants. Here, give me. Here, here's your something.
Always something with the classics. That was Chris the Davis show.
Christopher
And
Davis
it's
stubborn.
gonna be good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. He's gonna release that bar. And how many minutes?
48.
48 minutes and counting.
It is right now 11:35 Central Standard Time.
Central Standard Time.
11:35.
Natalie, no, you can't be out here, sweetie. Ooh, it smells good. I can smell the Cajun in it this time.
Chris,
There we go.
here's the dish.
And the timer has been set.
Sorry
I
about
got a
that.
little
It's hard
bit
to
right
see,
there.
but it
That
says
was the only thing I got.
48
Come here, man.
minutes. Oh, yeah. Here's the fry master himself. Looking very
With
good.
this little baby in the background.
There she is. She likes fried turkey, too. Hey, baby.
Fried turkey.
Hi.
She's a turkey.
All right. It looks
We're gonna
like
shut the
Clean
door there
Six
so we keep the heat out
Christmas
there.
fried turkey is a go.
Oh, I have the